Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for finding me. My name's Chrissy and today I'm going to show you some of my non-revolution palettes. If you'd like to see them, please stay tuned. These are just my larger palettes. I thought I'd show you a few of those because you've seen main of my Revolution collection, so I thought I'd just show you a few other things. I've also got some Profusion as well. I think I'm actually going to start off with those because those are the smaller ones out of the collection. So Profusion is, to my knowledge, an American brand, American company, but they have also got a UK site. I came across them back a couple of years ago when I was listening to a lady who used to review all of Revolution products. Then she found Profusion. My daughter bought me one, my first palette, a few Christmases ago, but I've been able to find quite a few items in home bargains for really cheap. I will actually start off with those because those are the cheaper ones. I found this 10-piece matte eyeshadow palette, and the luminizer is a 5-shade highlight palette. I also found 2 different colour lip kits as well, and I think these was only $1.99, maybe $2.99, just to be on the safe side. But that was the first time I'd actually saw home bargains have anything like this. Usually you can get them at Boots as well during the Christmas period. They usually do like gift sets, which I'll go on to in the next lot. I do find with home bargains they do tend to have a lot of old Revolution and Profusion items now, so I don't know whether they've got a deal with them or not. So those are those two. Onto the sets I had and the ones I had from Boots. These are the sets. This one is the peach. You get an eyeshadow, a 9-piece eyeshadow. You get a lip liner, a blending brush, and a matte metal cream lip. So that is in the peach, and that's what the colours are like. Really pretty. These are £12.50, but they've always got them on the 3 for 2 on the run up to Christmas, and you can usually pick them up cheaper after Christmas when the sales come on. I mean, you can usually pick them up for at least half price, sometimes 75% off, so it's always worth, unless it's a Christmas present, just wait until the sales if you can get in, because people queue like crazy to get into Boots. This is another of the sets. This is an eye set, complete sculpting collection. This has got it is a 6-piece eyeshadow palette, a 3-colour blush palette. Then you've got a lip cream, 1 eyeliner pencil, and a duo brush. These are £16. These come in their own tin, so they do look really pretty. So these are your 9-pan eyeshadows. This one is mixed metals and it's nude. These retail at $8.50, but they're always on 3 for 2. So this one is the nude. This one is amber. So they are quite similar. And this last one is smoky. So they are a nice present. They come in this sort of laminated glitter casing as well, and that's all cut out and that's like sort of mirrored underneath. It is really pretty. I'll show you some swatches of my pigment one because I've got that one open. This is the Pro Pigment. This is 21 Pro Pigment shades and dual-ended brush. I had this twice because I will say their customer services is fantastic as well. My daughter bought this and the end shadow was broken and they replaced it without quibble and said she could keep the other one. So let's just get that out. These are very much like what I've got on today actually. Wow, this look is, I will link it down below. This was last Sunday's. I was following a Robert Welsh tutorial for 5-minute makeup. So we've got, this one is Go Girl. This one is Jive. They are powdery. And this one is Pop. You can't really see the Pop one. Let's have another little look. Remember? Crackle. Oh, that's nice. Look how far that goes as well. Really effortless. This one is Frosting. That's the white colour. This one is Shimmy. That's nice. And then this one is Nebula. Those are really pretty. They're not the best swatches in the world. That one is very light. Let's see if I can build that one up a bit, which I don't usually do. I just use it as one swipe and just to show you the true colours of it. That's a bit better, so you can actually see it is like a very, very pale shimmer pink. I do a BH Cosmetics. These are all bought from Beauty Bay. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 of these. This one is called Aurora Lights. I had these because of these shape palettes, and there was baked shadows. Whoops. How beautiful are those? They're really, really pretty. Shall I swatch a few? Oh. Look at those. Look at this green. Actually, look at them all. They're beautiful. With the same sort of theme, I had Galaxy Chic. Wow. Oh wow. Those are really planetary, aren't they? Let's have a little play with these. This is that double baked. Oh, I like that. This one is Solar Flare. This is the last of the sort of asteroidy type of solar. I picked these because they were sort of all browns and that. You'll see. I love those. So we'll get some different colours on the go. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. And that's, oh, look at it. Wow, that black looks like it was going on for days. Those are pretty. I think once they're in my drawer, I don't forget about them. I just don't reach for them because I can't see them. So I think I'm going to need to have these on show a little bit more, so it just jogs my memory. It's take me back to Brazil. Now, the only thing I find with these is because there's 35 colours in here, they're really, really tiny. I mean, you've got these 3 large ones there. It is a lovely palette, it's just, but like I say, it's just tiny. It's just hard to get your brush into there. Those are pretty. Their blacks are good, you know. Oh, look at that duochrome there. Look at the green and the blue in there. So next I've got 2 of the Zodiac palettes. One says Love Signs and the other one is just Zodiac. So we'll go with Zodiac first. There's 25 shades. These are pretty. Even these are shades as well. You've got those, the outer, the middle and the outer. So those are pretty. We've got to go with Gemini because That is my star sign. Oh wow. I'm doing these really softly, as you can see. I'm barely touching. That's got a lot of gold in. Those are nice. Sagittarius, Libra, Leo. Oh, those are gorgeous. That was the lightest touch as well from those. This is love signs. Oh, oh, it's pretty. Wow. I think this was probably why I brought them in the first place. I looked at this one and then I just fell in love, so I bought them all. Right, I'm going to do the Gemini again. Oh gosh. The matte's, I mean, the shimmer's not doing a lot, like the highlighter. But the other two colours are gorgeous. Capricorn, because that looks pretty. Aries and Taurus. Oh, this is, like I say, this is just the lightest hand possible. Wow. Right, and then onto my last one from BH, which is just everybody talks about this one. This is the Carnival XL from Stacey Marie. Now there is a normal size which is always on sale for half price. This one it is the XL. I've not used this. I refuse to use this, but oh my goodness, it is beautiful. It is the ultimate in gorgeous. Oh yes. Oh, those are beautiful. So easy. So these are the matte colours. These look pretty. Oh wow. Obviously they're not going to be as striking as the shimmers, but they're lovely. Right, I'm going to do the 3 of the highlighters with this one. Wow, look. Oh my goodness. Now those are highlighters. I thought I'd muted the mic then. Those are gorgeous. They're a bit too bright for highlighters for me, but I'll be definitely putting them on my eyes. Wow. Because I'm doing 2 parts to this video, I'm just going to show you a few of my tiny palettes. So these are all from Beauty Glazed. I've got 5 small Beauty Glazed and 1 medium Beauty Glazed. I'll start with the small ones. These are the planets. They're the Huda Beauty dupes. So we've got Saturn, which is the orange. Let's do some swatches for you. They're still quite pigmented considering they're dupes. A nice bunch of swatches there. Then we have Jupiter, which is my favourite as normal, all those berry tones. They are effortless. Oh, they really go on well. With a good setting spray as well, they do last for a long time. We've got Uranus or Uranus, whichever way you pronounce it, which is the green one. Now this is battered. I have used this so much. Then we have got Mars, which is another reddy colour, but it doesn't stop them being really pigmented. Look at that. Wow. Last one is called Neptune, and it is the blues. Wow. Yes. So those are your Huda Beauty dupes. Really, really pretty. These only work out at about £3, £3 a palette as well. You can buy them in a set of 5, either from AliExpress or Wish. I think I got mine from AliExpress, and they do take a little while to get to you, but they're worth it and they are cheap. Now, talking of Huda Beauty dupes, this is a Huda Beauty dupe of the new Neutrals. This one is just perfect eyeshadow. There we go. And this was about £5 or £6, I think it was. It wasn't expensive anyway. Chrome Rosy, if I remember rightly. Beautiful. Dubai and Umber. Those are gorgeous as well. Peachy. These aren't as good. Marron. What did I do? Cocoa. And Raw. Well, they're okay in fairness, but they're not as good as the shimmers. I think mattes must be harder to make than shimmers for all companies. This is the first half of my non-revolution eyeshadow palettes. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, that would be excellent. And if you haven't already and you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys on Sunday or Thursday. I can't remember. I forgot what day it is. Love you loads, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye.